Hello guys, this is a 2012 Dodge Charger SE V6. I recently got a new key fob battery, a new battery for the car. But now I run into this problem where I turn it on and it doesn't turn on at all. It's supposed to be on now, indicating me that it needs battery. Got the battery tested. It's a good battery. I know that for a fact. I don't know if it's anything else. You guys can help me out. Once again, I'm gonna start it up. And that's pretty much it. I had this problem all morning. I don't know if it's the starter, the alternator. Let me know, guys.